Greetings. As for my first online video recipe, I'm going to make a very simple cranberry sauce. Ingredients include 1 bag of rinsed cranberries, 1 zested orange, navel orange, something bigger, officially about 3/4 cup packed brown sugar. Some people like more. I like mine tart, but some people like it sweeter. Oh yeah, and try not to get your DNA/knuckles into the, it's messy. People get upset. All right, and your measuring cups for water, 3/4 cup, 1/2 cup, because you're going to be adding orange juice. But really, it's up to you. How do you want, how tart, how sweet you want it. Now, something that is not on many people's menu is ginger. I will be adding ginger to this. All right, I'm going to pause now while I try to zest that orange. And yes, the orange juice itself goes into the mix. Yes, ginger. I have my ginger ready. Okay, I'm now going to turn on the automatic zester and it'll work. 1, 2, 3, done. That didn't work. Never mind. See you in a minute. I now have 1 bald orange and 1 messy graters. Is that what they're called? If those are graters, what's a lesser? I mean, really, what are they? Why do they call them a grater? Because they grate things, but how great is it? All right, let's make food great again. Okay, just a side note, if you're going to leave your orange temporarily in among the cranberries, be careful when you pull it out. The cranberries will stick to it, and then they will fall on the floor, and then there's it's a mess. This part is optional. I personally like to do it so I get a feel for the result. If I do it directly into the pot, I can't really see it as well. I can't see a whole lot, and the pot's black, and so I do it into a separate dish. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to clean the dish. Oh well, life happens. Okay, and finally the cranberries. Well, all right, it looks delish in that dish. I have no idea how that's going to cook down, but I'm thinking, on a simmer for, just keep stirring until you cooked it down. Add water if you want to thin it out. And some people might want to keep out about, 1/2 cup of berries and add them at the end for thickness. I like mine all cooked at the same time, but that's just me. Done. And now, in the pot, 9 minutes old. Okay, 9 seconds old. I haven't added the heat yet. Watch out for escapees. This guy I caught just before he hit the floor. Optional is the ginger, which, I love ginger, but some people not so much. Kind of, I don't know. Anyway, you got to hand it to you if you choose it. What I'm going to suggest is add it afterwards. Maybe even take half of the results and separate it and add ginger to that. Also optional, maybe vanilla extract if you want to. I wouldn't do both ginger and vanilla extract, but hey, that's just me. Again, you might want to set part of it aside and test it. Worst case is you can probably just add more sugar and brown sugar, by the way. That's 3/4 cup, 1 full cup brown sugar. And you can always add more sugar later. So all right, right now I'm just stirring occasionally as it simmers. I mean, you can always add more orange juice. You can add, I don't know. I mean, literally from a bottle, orange juice. But again, whatever you think it needs. I don't know if that's ready. It just, well, it looks ready. And that's the best answer I can give you. And I'm sorry I'm not more technical, more exact, more precise. But it works for me. But then again, I can't see. I can hear that it's bubbling. And I can, well, now and then the camera lens steams up. So, what can I say? Like I said, steams up. Well, I hope I didn't burn it. We'll find out. Proof is in the tasting. Okay, we are going to put this directly into the original mixing bowl. That should make a great shot, shouldn't it? If I don't make a mess. All right, I'm gonna have to. And there she be. It took me about, all right, you want to talk about time? Let's see, setup time. Well, give me an well, because I don't see very well, setup time takes me longer. So maybe 10 minutes max. I don't know how long it takes you to zest the orange without scraping your knuckles. That took me another 5. And then it was just throwing everything together, throwing it in the pot, and cooking it down. Maybe another 20 minutes. Don't know. But your mileage will likely vary. Note, to me, that flatbread is invisible. I really only know it because I put, by touch, that jalapeno up against the edge of the bread. So my wonderful stepdaughter bought this beautiful block cutting board. Now I demonstrate my cranberry wrap. Note, I always put the lids back on after I'm done using it, or it will go on the floor. And now, back in the fridge. Chicken, waiting for tomorrow sometime to be covered in cranberry, perhaps, or maybe I'll just use jalapeno garlic sauce. Now put away for tomorrow, because I've had far too much to eat today already. And this poor lone jalapeno, he'll get cut up, mixed with some garlic, some onions, maybe potatoes, and yummy. Best wishes, everyone. Hope you enjoyed. If you really like this video, please subscribe. I promise there will be more of some sort, but always relatively easy ones. But share it with a friend. Have a good laugh. It's okay. This is my first time, and I'm sure you remember yours. So I had a lot of fun doing the video. I intend to do a lot more. And yeah, check out the other videos just for grins and giggles. Have a great day, everyone. Enjoy your Thanksgiving, your sauce. And